there's no smoking on my boat, as there's no smoking on the Riverwalk. It's a $300 fine if they catch you. If I catch you, you give me $300. Let me catch you. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. We are going to be entering into the Artisan River Theater, opened in 1941. Has an 800 person capacity, but my favorite thing about this location is the stage to my right. It was in a movie. Girl, you said it, you didn't say it louder? Say it with your chest, don't be shy. We're going to be on this boat for the next 30 minutes. You might as well get used to it. Anyway, guys, yeah, Miss Sandra Bullock stood right there. I tell you what, though, she was not smiling because of the cameras. She was smiling because I drove by. And she said, dang, Jazz, you got some mad boating skills. I was like, I know, huh? I told her to call me Tokyo Drift because I got boat drifting skills. She goes, all right, DK. Yeah, buddy, what? Right here to my right, we got Marriage Island. Not Marriage Island. Fresco Art Museum, opened in 2013, but it was actually the San Antonio Public Library from 1930 to 1968. From 1968 to 2001, it was the Hertzberg Circus Museum. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a big gap between 2001 and 2013. What was the building, right? I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. It was a bypass system, which is what we're currently in right now. They did lead on to lose that battle, and that's when Father of the Riverwalk came, Mr. Robert Hugman. He is the one who designed everything that you see above water level, even a new flood control system. But he left everything in the water all natural. Bless him. Want to keep it as natural as possible. I'll prove it to you too. You see that big fat tree straight ahead to the right? Big fat tree straight ahead to the right. Yeah, it's just a tree. No, I'm just kidding, guys. This is our Ben Milam tree. It is said that a Spanish soldier hit up in this tree and shot Ben Milam as he was passing through the river in 1835. That tree stands 90 feet tall and is over 300 years old. That's older than San Antonio. Yeah, that tree's haunted for sure. Hey, guys. Down that way. Hey, girl. Now raise your hand if you've seen the movie Selena. Yeah, anything for Selena. See that bridge right there? That's that iconic bridge that you saw in that 1997 movie with Jennifer Lopez. It is said that Selena Quintanilla and Chris Perez had their proposal on this bridge. J-Lo was proposed to everywhere else. Yeah. It's also known as our Robert Hugman Bridge, Father of the Riverwalk, dedicated to him after he fixed everything up for us. Right. Hey. Hi. To my left, guys, you'll find La Mansión del Rio, opened in 1853 as the St. Mary's School for Boys. To my left, the other way, that way. Yeah. St. Mary's School for Boys, and it shut down to become a law school. And it shut down again for the World's Fair in 1968. Yeah, this place got some battle scars, dude. But remember that, World's Fair, 1968. World's Fair, 1968. I'll question y'all about it later. Just wait for it. Now raise your hand if you want to see some magic. Yeah, me too. No, I'm just kidding. Once we come out from under this bridge, look at me. Once we come out from under this bridge, you're going to look up to the left, all the way up to the sky, and you see an optical illusion. So it's all about angles, otherwise you won't see it. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. All the way up, up to the sky. All the way up above. It's a freestanding wall, right, guys? Merry Christmas. Yeah. It's also known as our Nick's Hospital, opened in 1930. It was the first fully serviced and air-conditioned hospital in the nation. It's also the birthplace of Carol Barnett, Oliver North, and Fast and the Furious, Michelle Rodriguez. Yeah, that's my wife. She just don't know it. Yes. The hospital did shut down about 5 years ago. Straight ahead, guys, you can find the Hyatt Regency Hotel, opened up in 1981. They purposely limited this hotel to only be 16 stories high so that it would not shadow over the Alamo. Fun fact, I had 2 grandparents that fought in the Alamo too. Yeah, 2 weeks ago they fought in the main lobby. It was embarrassing. It's my favorite part of the river, guys. They always have live music playing. Listen up, listen up. any military on the boat? We got any military on the boat? Raise your hand. We do, guys. Give them a round of applause real quick. Thank you for your service. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yeah. Right here to my right is our casino club building. No, it's not an actual casino, otherwise all my tips would be here. It's actually a German society gathering. It's bought in 1927. Now it's an apartment complex and a restaurant. The apartments are said to be around $700 to $800 for rent, but it's a 6 to 7 year wait list. If you think about it though, if you ever did live on the river, you got all these options for food. You wouldn't have to go grocery shopping, am I right? Look to my right. We got Mexican food. Look again to my left. We got more Mexican food. No, I'm just kidding, guys. All seriousness aside though, if you ever want to have dinner on the boat, you can. You just go to the restaurant of your choosing and they can set up a dinner charter for you. Be cruising away as I eat some steak, you know what I'm saying? But if you guys are just here for the weekend, you just want to have a good time, Cafe Olay right here to my left, 13 shot margarita. Don't even need NyQuil, you be none at the table. 13 shot, 1-3. Crazy, right? Oh. There was a creek that turned into a river because of a flood. And right here to my right, guys, we got San Rio. Very first restaurants opened doors on the Riverwalk in 1946. They just celebrated their 76th anniversary just last year. They used to have boats too, but we stole them. Hey, just don't tell nobody. What up, guys? It's my fan club. Hey, you like your food? Can I have some? See how she laughs? She's not gonna give me any. Can you order me a margarita? I'm just kidding, guys. You have a good time. Hey, look at me. During this time, my company does want me to stay quiet just to answer any questions. Anybody got any questions? Even if it's about me, it's alright. Nah, I'm just playing. Alright, raise your hand if you're visiting. Yeah, you guys are all probably wondering, what's the best Mexican restaurant to eat at? Yeah, see that purple sign back there? It says Taco Bell. Nah, I'm just playing, guys. It's my grandma's house. Dang right. You already know. I be eating good every day. Rock and roll. Put another dime in the duo, baby. Baby, dance with me. Alright. It's a gift from a local San Antonio artist named Pedro Reyes. She's entirely made of raw volcano. Almost got pooped on. Oh my god. Oh my god, it landed right through my steering wheel. Woo! Yes, entirely made of all volcanic rock. I said that the star in her hand is supposed to line up with 3 stars in the sky. But I don't see how we can see that because all the signs say don't climb. And it's alright though, we can come back later. I'll bring the tamales, you bring the ladder. They found 375 cell phones when they cleaned out the river at the beginning of last year. 6 of them were mine. No, I'm just kidding. See how those tables straight ahead are very close to the edge? Some people be so tired from walking around all day they forget that their phone's on the table. They go to reach for something and it goes whoop, right into the water. I've seen a grown man cry because his phone fell into the water. And his wife was standing right next to him laughing at him. I don't know, I'm just getting to that girl with a slow down speed racer. You guys want to see where all the people fall in? Yeah, alright, ready? See that green sign straight ahead to the left? It says Irish Pub. And about 270 a year fall into the water. And 200 there, 70 elsewhere. Oh, that's an actual number though. 270 a year. It's crazy, right? Well guys, this is the end of our load. I know you're gonna